Welcome back to Comfy Channel TV once again. If you are new to my channel, you are very welcome. Thank you guys for stopping by to always watch my video. Today's menu, I'll be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious egg sauce. If you want to know how I make it, please keep watching and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be the one to update anytime I upload new videos. And also give me a thumbs up and a nice comment down below. Thank you guys, and let's get started. Hello guys, welcome back again to Comfy Channel TV. Yes, so I've come again with another amazing recipe. So guys, on today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I make my fried plantain yam egg sauce. Yes, so guys, let me introduce you guys to the ingredients I'll be using in making all this. So we get started. This is my yam. I've already peeled and washed it, and this is my plantain. I'll be putting and frying it. My salt to taste, my egg, as you can see. This is my vegetable I'll be using in making this egg sauce. Yes, I'll be using this vegetable, paprikas, green and yellow. This is my sliced fresh tomato, and I'll also be using this one. It's also fresh tomato, fresh sliced steamed tomato, as you can see. I'll be using it for this recipe. And my chopped scallop bonnet pepper, my diced onion, my vegetable oil, and my curry powder, all purpose thyme with 1 nut cube. Yes, so I'll be using all these for this wonderful recipe. So guys, let's get started. So guys, egg sauce. You know, yam doesn't take time, so I'll start first with egg sauce. I'll add my vegetable. My meat spice, add small. And my fresh tomato. And allow it for 1 minute. After the 1 minute, I'll add another fresh tomato. That's more. So guys, this doesn't take time. I'm almost done. So I will just allow it to cook for 10 minutes. I don't need to overcook it. So I'll just allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Allow it to cook. Okay, so wow, I can perceive the aroma. This tin fresh tomato is super amazing. My spice and my scallop bonnet pepper. I'll add another salt to it. And my vegetable. Listen how it is, guys. So at this point, my egg goes in, because I don't want to overcook my vegetable. I don't like overcooking my vegetable. So I'll add my egg. And allow it to cook. I'll cover it. I'll not turn it now. I'll just cover it But before then, my yam is on the fire. My yam is cooking already, and I'm also frying my plantain. So I want to let you guys know that. So I'll allow this thing to cook for 5 minutes. Yes guys, I forgot to show you guys I added a nut cube here. So at this point, I'll turn my stove. For a small time. Wow! So yes, I like how it is. Have you seen how it is, guys? Everything is okay. Yes, so guys, everything is okay. My egg sauce is done. Have you seen it? See how it is. It is done. So at this point, I will off my gas. And we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you guys for staying with me, and thank you for always stopping by to watch my video. Thank you. See you next time. Thank you guys. Bye bye. I love you guys. Cheers. Cheers. Bis gleich. Cheers. Have you seen it, guys? Wow. My lunch is ready. Have you seen it? So nice and sweet. You can imagine. Yes, so thank you guys. Thank you, and see you next time. Cheers. Bye.